Hello guys, Connie here. We are gonna cook pancit with chicken. Here are the ingredients. It's about a cup and a half of chicken breast. Slice it up. I got cabbage, about a cup and a half of cabbage, and then about a cup of carrots, and this is one sayote. That's one of the vegetables that I put in here. We got onions and garlic, black pepper and salt, garlic salt, some chicken bouillon powder, some soy sauce, and about a cup and a half of chicken broth. We use canola oil or vegetable oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and also the sazon goya, that is 1 packet for the color. And the noodles, let me show you. The noodles is the rice stick. It's called Bihon, and I use a half of that package. This is available on the Asian stores, and then we'll go ahead and start. Okay, I added about 2 tablespoons of oil and letting it heat up, and we'll put our garlic and onions. Okay, you can cover for about 4 to 5 minutes. Let it cook. And I gotta show you the noodles. Okay, the rice noodles, what I did was I went ahead and soaked it for 4 to 5 minutes. These are called rice noodles. It's called pancit noodles. And so I drain it and I cut them up a little bit. And this is just waiting for us to add to our vegetables in a little bit. Okay, 5 minutes had passed, and we want to add just a little bit of a fish sauce, just a small portion. That's why we don't add no more salt now, because it has fish sauce plus the soy sauce. Okay, now what we can do is we take the vegetables out because we're gonna cook the noodles. We don't want it to get mushy, so we'll set aside all the vegetables and the chicken. Okay, we'll add the noodles and let it cook for a few minutes, maybe 3-4 minutes to get it done. And so our noodles will be like orange color because of the sazon that we added. Just stir. I might add a little bit, just a little bit of garlic salt, just a little, because it's already had some soy sauce on it. And the heat is on medium. I'm going to turn it down to about 4 and let the noodles cook. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, and I'm gonna lower the temperature to about 2. And so we can add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I tasted the noodles and it's done. So we'll put back the vegetable. Here we go. And you can stir. I put this on on low. It's on simmer, and that way the noodles won't get cooked too much. Okay, I'm stirring all that noodles with the vegetables, and here it is. It's done. And you can garnish here with green onions and also some lemon. I'll show it to you. some onions, green onions. Just went to the floor. Okay. Green onions, and we put the lemon on the side. And here is our pancit with chicken. Have fun. And also I have a recipe, chicken with tomato sauce. You can in YouTube you can put at Connie in Georgia, USA. But here it is, pancit with chicken. Final. And